Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have an iron plugged in, which is turned on. Is the interaction classified as heat or work? Consider the entire room, including the electric iron, as the system. It is work because the electron is crossing the boundary from the wall socket into the iron, which the room is then heated. Okay, so before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool on your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on video option once you have it open, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.